Okay, I'm gonna show you how to preview your video without downloading it using Camtasia. It's really simple to do. First thing, make sure you got your video here and you wanna go up right here and you wanna click down and you wanna hit Detach Canvas. So once you hit Detach Canvas, it's detached. You see where it says you can reattach it here, but it's detached. And the next thing you want to do is make sure you click right here and tell it to fit. So you want to make sure that that fit is checked. That is checked. Then you go right here where it says full screen. You click on it and there you go. And to play this video, what you want to do is hit this space bar. You can hit play. As you can see, the video is playing. And if you want to pause it, you just click it again to pause it. So to play it, you click on that. In this way, you can see different details. Oh man, it looks good. I'm getting hungry. Let me go ahead and pause this. But to pause it, you just hit this space button again. Oh my God. And then you hit pause. And to get out of this, just go up here and hit this escape button. Once you hit the escape button, it's back right here. You can either come right here and put reattach, or you could just hit exit. So if I hit exit, it's attached. So that's how you can view this in full view without going here and exporting it and downloading it. So I'm gonna do this once more. Just click on here and you tell detach from canvas. And then you wanna go right here where you see that 50%, make sure that is checked. Because if you don't, 50%, let's go 50%. And then we're gonna go full screen. You see what it looks like. So I'm gonna hit the exit again. And I'm gonna just go up here and say fit to screen and make sure it's checked. It is checked. Just go right here and hit the full screen. There you go. And then hit the space bar to play it. So that's all to it. And if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. And thank you and have a great day. And if you want a turkey leg, I'm gonna put a link in the description or in the drop down on how to get one of these turkey legs tender like this. Man, let me go on and get me something to eat. I'm gonna go get me some collard greens and some turkey legs. All right, thanks again and subscribe to my channel.